Meaning of gippy tummy.
Gippy tummy.
Gippy tummy.
Gippy tummy.
Gippy tummy. Gippy tummy is a slang term used to describe an upset stomach or gastrointestinal distress. Symptoms of gippy tummy may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and bloating. Gippy tummy can be caused by a variety of factors including food poisoning, viral or bacterial infections, stress, and certain medications. It is important to stay hydrated and rest during this period. In severe cases, medical attention may be necessary. Overall, gippy tummy can be an unpleasant experience, but with proper care and attention, it can be managed effectively.